Hello and welcome to or back to the Thread Life. In today's video, we'll be getting into this brown highlight unit from Jessie's wig. Y'all know we're about to get into every detail there is, the good, bad, and the ugly. So let's get right into it. First of all, thank you to Jessie's Wig for sponsoring today's video. They sent me over this beautiful holiday packaging along with these goodies. Their unit that I'll be featuring today is a 13x5 pre-cut HD lace frontal body wave unit in 24 inches, and it features these brown highlights. The cap construction has a few combs as well as a removable and adjustable strap on the back. And here are all of the hair specs. This did come pre-styled with some loose waves in them, and as you can see, the color is really blended, but we'll get more into the details in just a second. For my foundation today, I just did something really simple and braidless. I did 2 ponytails at the base of my nape, and then I did a braid on each ponytail. Find that doing 2 ponytails rather than the one eliminates that weird bump that you get if you don't do an actual braid down, and it keeps everything nice and symmetrical. Once I have each side braided down, I'm just gonna bring them up on opposite directions and pin them into place, and there we have a flat foundation at the top and a pretty seamless one at the back. This is one of those things that is good to keep in your back pocket for those days where you don't really feel like doing a braid down, you don't know how to braid, or when you're in a rush and you need to apply your glueless unit on the fly. So here I'm just doing my ball cap. Y'all already know how I give it up. I have to lay down those edges after letting it dry with my Black Got To Be gel, and then from there we're gonna go in with the blow dryer just to seal everything and make sure it's nice and dry. And once I have my ball cap established, I'm gonna go in with my Ruby Kisses and apply that across my hairline. I do go a shade darker because I find that by the time the lace is applied, it balances itself out with the lightness of the lace. And I'm just gonna apply that same color on the inside of the lace, and because I'm doing a middle part, I'm gonna apply it in a T-shaped design. Then we're going to throw Miss Mama's on and get her adjusted. Now, first things first, going straight into the pros and cons of this unit. I did not like how thick this hairline was. You can see when I comb it back that it's just thick. This is not one of those units that you're going to be able to take out of the box. It's pre-plucked to perfection and it's good to go. I had to, of course, flatten it with my hot comb like I do every other unit, but you're also going to see in the next few clips that I did have to go in and do a good amount of plucking. So if you're a beginner or someone who does not like going in and having to customize or do some work to make your unit look as natural as possible, then this will not be the unit for you. But if you're somebody who does not mind a fuller hairline or who does not mind customizing to your liking, then this unit is great for you, because I did enjoy the density, I enjoyed the texture of the hair, and I also enjoyed how colored to perfection this hair was, because a lot of times with pre-made wigs, the coloring can be off, and as a cosmetologist, my eyes go straight to it. But Jessie's did a nice job at coloring this unit without any harsh lines or any brassiness. But this hairline, baby, it was Wolverine thick. So from there, I'm just cutting off the excess lace. I wanted to do the Mousse method for this install. Y'all know normally I go in with my Wig Dealer Glueless melting spray, but I know not everyone has access to that product, but everyone pretty much has access to a mousse. And I just wanted to try this method. I've been seeing a lot of girls do it, and I just wanted to see how effective it was. And y'all saw in that intro, and you will see at the end of the video, it did not disappoint. So I'm just going in with one layer of the Nairobi mousse, and from there I'm gonna tie it down with my wig band while I do some styling and adding some layers to frame my face. And like I said, we'll get into those results in just a second, but I'm just going back in with my wax stick and my hot comb to lay it down some more. And then I'm going in with that parting space with some lighter concealer, or actually no, I use the skin tone concealer just to cover up those grid lines, because another con of this unit, the knots were not all the way bleached. It was a lot of black dots still left, so I had to cover those up with the makeup. So now I'm just going in and seeing what that styling is giving, and as you can see, it's a nice wave to the hair, so I didn't have to go into the bulk of the hair, but I am gonna go in and frame my face with a little bit of layering and just curl those pieces away from my face once I get that layering to my liking. Y'all know I could always go shorter on the face framing, but because we just took her out of the box, we're gonna keep it very cute, very modest. Silver and gold, oh, where you
need in my life, you know I would trade it out. Don't need no diamonds on my rock, no I don't need a lot, Lord, I would trade it out. Got out my answer when you not, when we talk, tell them I would trade it. Let you take the lead, you a different breed, on the mode, you traded your blood, how you set me free, in the word, daily help me breathe, spirit gotta feed, yeah that's something I ain't tryna grieve. You keep my mind right when my mood be switching. If it costs my piece, it's too expensive. Yeah.
Here was time for the moment of truth, seeing just how good the Nairobi laid that lace. And as you can see, it melted it down. Now I'm going in with the same makeup that I used in a parting space across the hairline, and I'm giving Nairobi her 10s because it laid that lace down, and I will definitely be using this method moving forward. When I don't feel like using the melting spray, or if I don't have any more melting spray, if you don't have any melting spray, Miss Girl, use that Nairobi because she is that girl. So here is the finished look. As you can see, I'm just getting everything into place and adding the finishing touches. And I also wanted to show y'all a few ways that I styled this unit. Another pro of this unit was that it did have some versatility in the styling, being that it's a 13x5 frontal. And here's the length of the unit before I get into that styling, as well as how it looked from the back. As you can see from the pull test once more, it's not going anywhere. Like, that really surprised me. I did not expect Nairobi to come like that. So now I'm just doing a couple of styles, and I really enjoyed, like I said, being able to style this unit. The versatility along with the thin and HD lace, the fullness, the ear tabs not being too long. I really enjoyed those aspects of this unit. So again, here are some styles that I did.
Moving different. Yeah, I've been moving since you told me that you were risen. Yeah, phone down.
In addition to the styles, I wanted to see how it looked with a side part. Y'all also may notice that I did not do baby hairs with this look, and that is a first with the unit installs on this channel, but I just wanted to try a different look, being that we're doing a frontal this time, we're doing color this time. I just wanted to provide some versatility in the styles that I show, and I enjoyed the side part, especially with the density of this hairline, even more than I did the middle part. But that just about sums up this tutorial as well as this review. All of the information for Jessie's wig will be listed below, and it won't be long before we're back with another hair tutorial, and I will see y'all in it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch y'all in the next video.
No fear, no heights, same flesh, no life. Get up in the world, you got to know Christ. No, I can't survive with no light. Hands up praising like it's a heist. I know that we got 'em